This training segment is part of a series showing the how and why of creating electronic documents that are accessible to all users. Heading structure is one of the most important components of an accessible document. Here you will learn to use Microsoft Word's heading styles to facilitate document navigation. Sighted users will often scan through a document quickly by looking for headings that describe sections of content. Accessible headings allow persons with visual impairments to use screen readers to do the same thing. A clear and descriptive heading structure will also help persons with learning disabilities to visually process and understand content. The document you see here is a compilation of information about Missouri state parks. Let's see if this document has an accurate and accessible heading structure. The cursor is positioned at the top of the first page, at the beginning of the main title. Notice that heading 1 is outlined within the Styles gallery. This indicates that the cursor is at a header that has been labeled as a first-level header. Microsoft Word automatically builds a document outline based on headings that have been labeled from the Styles gallery. This outline can be viewed by opening the navigation pane from the View ribbon. Under the Headings section of the navigation pane, we see an expanded outline of the document's heading structure. Clicking on Kansas City region will move the cursor to that heading in the document. Note that heading 2 is now outlined within the Styles gallery, indicating that this has been labeled as a second-level heading. Clicking on Echo Bluff State Park will move the cursor all the way to the last section of the document. This is a Level 3 header, as shown in the Styles gallery. Improving document accessibility may involve creating a heading structure using styles, or ensuring the accuracy of an existing heading structure. The Missouri State Park system is divided into 6 regions. However, only 5 seem to be listed within the heading structure. Reviewing the document content soon reveals that the Central region is missing from the navigation pane. This heading failed to get labeled as a second-level header. Clicking Header 2 with the cursor positioned at the header text will add Central region to the heading structure. This is important so as to avoid confusion, especially for persons with visual impairments relying on the heading structure to navigate the document. Another mistake to avoid is skipping levels between headers. A careful look at the navigation pane shows Roaring River State Park slightly more indented than the other Level 3 headers. The Styles gallery reveals that it was mistakenly labeled as heading 4. Skipping from heading Level 2 to heading Level 4 could cause someone to think information is missing. Clicking Header 3 with the cursor positioned at the header text will correct the mistake. Best practice is to have heading 1, which is the document title, and subheadings to follow, without skipping heading levels.